So what is the framing effect? The framing effect works when the data or product is presented to you in the most compelling way possible. A great example of this is 98% of patients survive this surgery, as opposed to 2 out of every 100 people die during this surgery. Another example of this is a tool costing $730, or framing it as the tool costing just $2 per day. Those statements mean the exact same thing. However, the perspective makes a huge difference. By simply framing your product or service in a slightly different way, you are basically giving yourself far more chance of encouraging your customers to actually buy from you. So remember, when you're communicating your product or service, you need to make sure that you're framing your actual offering in the right way. Effective framing is done when you understand your customers' goals and you also understand what they are scared of. Stay away from what they're scared of, and then frame your product or service in the best light possible to essentially make it the best solution for them. If you want more incredible neuromarketing tips and tricks that you can use to, grow your brand and get more business, then feel free to click the link in the description where you can literally get 29 more of these incredible methods to help you grow your business and take it to the next level. You can start a 30-day free trial right now, which gives you instant access into not only that, but also the most powerful strategic branding program on the entire planet. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like it, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care, guys.